In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to link to a page on Notion with this quick tutorial that will have you up and running in no time. So let's dive right into the steps to link a page efficiently within Notion. Perfect for enhancing your workspace management. First things first, head over to your Notion workspace. This is your central hub for maintaining all your documents, projects, and other essential notes. If you haven't signed up or are not logged in already, make sure you do so by clicking on the Login button. You'll typically find the login option at the home page or landing page of Notion. Simply enter your credentials to gain access to your secure workspace. Once logged in, navigate over to your Notion home. This is where all your personal or shared pages reside. It's essentially your dashboard, providing quick access to everything you need. Scrolling through this section should make it clear what projects or documents you're currently working on. Next, let's find the specific page you want to link. You can access this page from the list of all your pages on the sidebar or from your dashboard. Clicking on this page will open it up for editing or viewing, depending on what you need to do. Now, this is where the magic happens. Inside your selected page, you are ready to create a link to another page. To do this, simply type the command link to page. This command conjures up a prompt or search box that allows you to find any other existing page within your workspace. It's a convenient way to interconnect your content and make navigation seamless for anyone viewing that page later on. This is incredibly useful when you're dealing with complex projects that span multiple topics or areas within your workspace. By linking pages, you create a more navigable and interconnected workspace that speeds up the process of finding information. After typing the command, you'll see a list of pages pop up. Simply choose the one you want to link to, and bam! You've got a link on your current page. And there you have it. You've successfully linked to a page on Notion. This small yet potent technique can significantly enhance your workflow and organization by helping you create a clean, connected digital environment. Remember, practice makes perfect, so feel free to experiment with linking different pages until you feel comfortable with the process. Stay organized, and thanks for watching this quick tutorial. We hope it helps streamline your use of Notion. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks to optimize your workspace.